Boom. All right, so we continue where we left off in the previous video, in that we're going to now divide x squared minus 3x plus 2. We're dividing that by x minus 2. Good? So we're doing it on the flip side now. So again, the same thing that we would have done across here. X into x squared is x. And then we say x into x minus 2 is x by x is x squared. X by minus 2 is minus 2x. Alright? And of course, if we do the subtraction, x squared minus x squared is 0. And again, we take this minus 3x minus 2x. And just as we did in the previous example, we go in a little corner and do it. So we're saying that x minus 3x minus 2x minus 2x is minus 3x plus 2x, which is minus x. Here again, that is taken for granted if you're coming up here to do odd maths. Yeah? So minus 3 minus minus 2 is the same thing as minus 3 plus 2, which is minus x. And of course, you take the plus 2 and you bring it down. And of course, now you go back into the same procedure again. So it's basically multiple loops of the same procedure. So x into minus x is minus 1 by x minus 2. Minus 1 by x is minus x. Minus 1 by minus 2 is plus 2. And of course, if you're minusing the same thing from itself, the remainder is 0. So just as you would have gotten on this side in the previous video, we now know, and we could write this in a kind of factorized form. We could say now that x squared minus 3x plus 2 is the same thing as x minus 1 and x minus 2. Alright? So that is me demonstrating factorization by long division using expressions that you're already familiar with. Powers of 2 factorized to give you 2 linear powers multiplied by each other. The next step now, and here is where we make the transition from maths into odd maths, where factorization is concerned. The next step is to move from powers of 2 to powers of 3 and powers of 4. Alright? So that will come up in the next video. So stay in the game. The things start to get nice now.